Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how I do a texture release treatment. Now this video is going to be very thorough and in-depth, so if you would like to watch a shorter version of this video, feel free to click the link in the description box or head over to my Instagram where I have videos showing the results of my texture release treatments and silk presses. To begin explaining the process, firstly the hair must be washed and cleansed of any buildup using Avlon's releasing shampoo. What this does is removes any buildup or debris from the hair and scalp, which begins opening up the cuticles of the hair to begin the releasing treatment. This shampoo is sulfate free, treats dry scalp and infuses a high level of moisture into your hair, therefore soothes dryness of the scalp whilst moisturizing your hair. It is very important to ensure that the hair is free from any buildup before starting this treatment. This client is one of our regulars. She has been using the texture release treatment to maintain her natural hair for approximately a year now. Ideally, this treatment should be topped up every 10 to 12 weeks to ensure that your hair has enough protection whilst heat styling. This treatment doesn't necessarily have to have a straight finish. It can also have a natural finish depending on your client's needs. If you would like a video of me doing a natural finish using a texture release, please like this video and comment down below. So firstly, I use the hair dilator, which prepares the hair for the straightening and smoothing process. This treatment takes about an hour and a half to 2 hours. It takes about 40 minutes underneath the dryer because you've got the 10 minutes first with the releasing lotion and then 30 minutes putting the texture release into the hair. So it will take you about an hour and a half to 2 hours. I have managed to do this treatment in 1.5 hours before. However, depending on your stylist, I would say allow 2 hours. Then after that, I use the texture release releasing lotion. This is a heat activated conditioning treatment, so without the heat you cannot activate the treatment. So as far as technicality goes, that's as far as it goes with the first 3 steps, and after that you just rinse, blow dry and straighten the hair. So I'll leave you guys to finish off watching this video and you can see the smooth, silky results. So as far as the ideal client for the texture release, I would recommend this treatment to clients with curly to excessive curly textures. So someone with quite tight coils who wants to elongate their curl pattern. I would also recommend this treatment to a client who is transitioning from either relaxed hair to natural hair, and they would like to keep their textures quite similar. I would also recommend this to clients who want some sort of styling versatility, so someone who doesn't necessarily want to wear their hair only in one way. So if you want to wear your hair straight sometimes, also preserve your curl pattern and wear your hair in its curly texture, I would recommend it to that client. If you have any questions about this treatment, feel free to comment down below. I will respond immediately, or feel free to follow me on Instagram at naturally_immaculate, and I pretty much respond to my DMs immediately. So if you have any hair queries or any questions or concerns, just feel free to send me a small message and I'll just respond back to you there. So I hope you guys really thoroughly enjoyed this video. I hope I explained it in depth, and I hope you understood how the treatment works. If you have any questions or concern, as I said before, please comment it down below and let me know if you like these kinds of videos, because I will be sure to do more of them in future. And I hope to see you guys in my next video.